I shall walk you through on how to apply the evergreen 7QC tools as a quality problem or manufacturing problem solving tools. 7QC tools was initiated by Professor Kaoru Ishikawa, which used to solve manufacturing problems and quality problems, and they are quite simple to learn. However, sometimes we are confused if we need to use all of them, or if there's any sequence to use the tools when solving problem. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding on the 7QC tools in relation to the process input and output, and a guide on how to use them in problem solving. The 7QC tools, which is widely used in the manufacturing industries as a problem-solving tools, consist of check sheets, which manually tally and record the number of observations and occurrences of certain events during a specific time period to observe the process behavior, or it is used to build a histogram. Second is the Pareto chart, which is a bar chart that are already arranged in the descending order based on the magnitude of the data to know that which are the vital few, such as the defect symptom. Next is a histogram. It is a bar chart display of the distribution of individual measurements taken on a part, and it will have a snapshot of the variations of the whole measurement parameters. The fourth is stratification, which separates the data gathered from a variety of sources so that the pattern can be clearly seen, such as by manufacturing line or by different suppliers. The fifth is a control chart to give us a process insights if the process is behaved normally or if there is a special cause variation, which action is needed to eliminate the special cause variations. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. The fishbone diagram is a graphic tools of categorizing the potential causes of problem in order to identify its root cause to an effect. And lastly, the scatter plot, which is a pair measurement of each item of a standard X and Y graph to check if there's any relationship between X and Y to identify which variable which could have an impact on the Y data of the process output. We will need to understand what are the QC tools trying to measure in a process. First of all, in the manufacturing process, we have the process input X, which consists of the 5Ms 1E, materials, man, machine, methods, measures, and also environment. All these inputs will go through a transformation process to become an output or Y. And almost all the 7QC tools are actually focusing on collecting the Y data, that the check sheet is collecting the data on the performance of the process output. The Pareto chart could be collecting the failure symptom, which is also related to process output Y. The histogram is plotting the process output into a distribution chart. Stratification is plotting process output Y from various sources such as different machines, different manufacturing line, or different suppliers. And the control chart is to give a process insights if the process is behaving normally and is actually also collecting the Y data. The fishbone diagram, which is a graphic tools, and this is where the Y itself is the outcome or the bad effect, and trying to relate back to the process input, which is the X. And for the scatter plot, this shows a measurements of two variables of X and Y. Therefore, the check sheet, Pareto histogram certification and control chart focus on the Y to confirm if there's any problem, whereas fishbone and scatter plot link the X, which shows you the potential cause of the problem. There are many references on what the 7QC tools are, how you establish them. However, there are not much material related to on how you are going to apply them. For example, do you need to use all of it to solve the quality problem, or use only some of it, or can you use even only one of it? Do they need to be in sequence? This has caused a bit of confusion, especially if you are new to quality engineering. So I will show you on how to use or how to apply all these tools and get all these questions answered. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Are you ready to take your manufacturing supplier quality engineering career to the next level? Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equip with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses to start your journey to success today. We shall look at how the 7QC tools is used in these slides. When there is a manufacturing or quality problem, normally I will study the trend by collecting data using the Pareto, or study it together with the histogram and also the process control chart to check if there is a special cause or common cause problem. If the signal is not clear, then I will use stratification data to plot the chart, and also after that a cause and effect diagram is needed to study where is the potential root causes in the process input X from the Y data or the Y effect, the bad effect itself from the results. And you can also use the scatter plot to further confirm the relationship of the process output Y if it is caused by a certain process input X if there is variable data collected for the X data. You do not have to use all the tools. You can start with the data collection tools Y to study the data and then follow by tools that will connect you or relate you to the X, such as the cause and effect diagram and scatter plot. I hope that you have more insights into how to apply 7QC tools from today's video. Do give me a like for this video and comment if there's anything you want to learn in the future. Do share and subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my future video.